at?
Right there.
Esta? This one?
Yeah, cualquiera de los dos. From all those hooks, I gotta grab the top stuff one. Dame uno.
For the lip up? Okay.
Date te digo. Sí, sí, no, al revés.
¿Así?
Al revés. Ahí entre los ojitos, ahí mero, no tan arriba porque le chingas el pinche cerebro.
Ahí está.
Pásame uno.
Ven. Ven. You just pitch in there or what? No, I didn't know I was hooked, dude. Alright, I don't know. Here's the teeth.
Sure is. I was wondering what that thing was floating. It's duck.
Yeah. Ahí está la mía, güey.
Ahí está. 1.12.
1.12.
Alright.
I'm being trying to hook on a broken weaver. I was hung up. I was coming over here to get it. All of a sudden something worked. That's why I took the hook.
Shit, he tore my water dog up.
Somebody out here knows that. You gonna break his line when he ain't doing that. He pushed his whole trim and that's all. 2 foot flat.
Oh, he's a little bigger, dude. He's a little bigger. That's gonna be bigger than yours, Dennis. You don't think so?
We need to compare our scales.
Let me see.
again.
Yeah.
The funny part is yours weighs in tenths. Mine weighs ounces. Yeah.
Oh, that was good. Oh, that's a big one. Grab that.
Grab this one.
Watch out with your pole in the back. Oh yeah, he got number 1 right there for sure. Oh yeah. My water just came off too. My water dog just came off. Get him.
Still in front of his mouth.
Oh yeah. All right. Sweet. Double hookup. Oh, fucking. All right, Bobby.
Should have waited.
Take a picture. Double hookup.
¿Tenemos una foto?
Both of us.
Give your phone to Dennis.
Here, Dennis. Take a picture. What's the highest right
Fishing
now?
pole in one hand, camera in the other, and trying to operate a trolling motor at the same time. That shit ain't working.
$2.8.
Good.
What was yours?
You're the bigger.
How was
You're
yours?
the biggest one.
No, you. How big was yours? 214? Oh, sweet. Somebody, is that your water dog?
That was your water dog.
Did you lose yours? No, you didn't. Sweet. You're still alive? Oh my god. Dude, man. Fuck yeah, dude. He pulled hard too. What? Was there a stump? What?
Now we're going. Marty, don't be playing with it.
Alright. Here, get me in those trees, dude.
I'm going. That's where I'm trying to go the whole stinking time.
So how do you control this? What's the left and right?
Push down with your toe, push back with your heel.
Okay.
See, rock it like this,
Yeah.
and point that arrow where you want to go. And then step on that button, and that's your speed.
Oh shit, here comes the Mexican with the hula popper.
A hula popper in the trees. You are good. You are real good. You are good. You are so good you're going to get your ass kicked by a fisher. How many fish you got now, Barney?
4.
Please.
I ain't that bad. I know there's a bass here.
There's a lot of bass here. Lots of bass here. This
The one that hit right when we, right whenever we took off, it was fucking a lot bigger than usual. There it goes.
Yeah, you got it. Cuba. I would be a lot more assistance with the net and stuff, but if I let go of the trolling motor, we're kind of out of here.
Oh, there you go. Did I get my water dog?
Yeah, there's two there.
Alright, I knew he was there.
Barney's gonna try he won't catch the fish.
It's the same one. That one don't count.
You know, he looked like the same color and everything.
Yeah.
Pretty fish, huh? Fucking asshole. That was on that water dog with the jig, dude. Oh fuck, look at some deal. That's the old school.
Did you have a camera on it?
Yeah, I did. Come on, bitch. Give me your weight.
$2.10.
Is it? 210?
Yeah, $2.10.
No, not the scale. Look at the fish. Oh yeah, you got that big old fat belly on him.
Look at his gill, dude. He's like an old scar. You see it?
Yeah, somebody ripped his gills
But
off.
he's still going.
Yeah.
What was yours? The highest one?
214.
Son of a bitch, really? About time, jeez. No. What the fuck is that? You sure it's a bass? I say both of them.
6.
Another one.
we got him. Don't lose him.
Hold on, she got the hook.
Woo!
Fuck yeah. Got it warded off?
I knew.
I don't know what kind of dip net job that was. The reason I grabbed it was because I was scared you only had the hook. I was scared you were going to pull the hook out.
Was he good?
What? Knock him. Yeah, when the net like a hung on the hook. I thought he was going to drop the hook out of his mouth.
Bring him.
Give me the scale.
And I want a picture with him too.
Four.
9. 4.8.
4.8.
Let me take a picture of you.
Yeah, I gotta take a picture.
Right at 5 pounds.
Let me see that.
That's the biggest bass you ever
Come over
caught.
here.
No, I caught it a bit bigger before in Mexico when I was a kid, but
Yeah.
a long time ago, man. Look at this. The other one was bigger than this one?
I think so.
There you go now. It's all yours. That's nice, dude.
It is.
5 pound bad. I mean, almost 5 pounds, huh? Damn. That's nice, dude.
Where at?
Back in that cubby hole behind the seat. He's only going to be about.
That's good. There you go. Oh, yeah. That's good stuff. Hey, you got the water dog back. Sweet. Oh, that's bigger. That's a
Fuck yeah.
I told you that the first one was bigger.
Did you say more water dog?
Nope.
Nope.
Oh.
Fuck it.
It's a scale.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my
I
god.
don't have the scale.
I'm about to pee my pants.
I don't remember where your hook was the first time, but I don't see another hole in him.
5.
Oh, stop it. It's bouncing from 4.9 to 4.11. 4.10.
Same fish or what?
4.10.
No, the other one was
Other one's 4.8.
How big is he?
Where it is. It's just sitting there. You can measure his on you. 4.10.
Same fish. Here, take a picture. I want to take a picture.
The thing, the other one got leeches too?
I don't know, I didn't look at him. You caught, the other one was hooked like right here in the sides.
Yeah. This one, no, it's a different fish.
I don't see the other hole.
Let him go.
Right here. You got one here.
That's the one you just caught him on it. Yeah.
Ooh, look at that baby.
Nice shit, dude.
You're gonna... Grab the net.
Water dog, water dog.
God damn, that motherfucker are tearing me up. Put him in.